The UK has one of the oldest political systems in the world, but most people can't explain how our constitution actually works. After this video, you'll be able to. The UK Constitution is a set of rules that explains how the country is run. It tells us who has power, how laws are made, and what rights people have. There are 4 key features of the UK Constitution you need to know. 1. It's uncodified. Unlike the USA, the UK doesn't have one single written document. Our constitution is made up of lots of different sources. 2. Parliamentary sovereignty. Parliament is the highest legal authority. It can make or change any law, and no court can overrule it. 3. Rule of law. Everyone, including the government, must follow the law. No one is above it. And 4. Separation of powers. Power is divided between Parliament, makes laws, the government, runs the country, and the courts, interpret laws. This prevents any one group from having too much power. The UK Constitution comes from 5 main sources. Statute law. Laws passed by Parliament, like the Human Rights Act. Common law. Legal principles developed by judges over time. Conventions. Unwritten traditions, like the Prime Minister being an MP. Works of authority. Important books that explain how the system works. And treaties. Agreements with other countries, like NATO. For example, the Human Rights Act is statute law. It gives people rights they can defend in UK courts. But the idea that the Prime Minister must be a member of the House of Commons is just a convention. It's not written down anywhere, but everyone follows it. So why does this matter for your GCSE? Because exam questions often ask you to explain what the UK Constitution is, describe its features, or give examples of its sources. If you can explain uncodified, parliamentary sovereignty, rule of law, and the 5 sources, you'll score good marks. So, a quick recap. The UK Constitution is uncodified. Parliament is sovereign. Everyone follows the rule of law. Power is separated between Parliament, government, and the courts. And the Constitution comes from statute law, common law, conventions, works of authority, and treaties. That's the UK Constitution. Simple, clear, and exam ready. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.